How to add a record in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. You can add a record using the cPanel's Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. To add a record for the domain example.com, click the +A record button in front of the domain name. Now enter a name and cPanel will automatically add the domain name. Enter the IP address of the server where you want to point the domain. Click the Add an A record button. That's it. We have successfully added a record for the domain example.com. It may take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect. Thank you for watching.